In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So from a Trust Wallet app, we're going to click on Receive, and here you're going to select the crypto that you want to transfer. And in this tutorial, I'm going for Ethereum. In here, you will have your unique wallet address. So go ahead and copy this to your clipboard and insert this in Coinbase. So copy, and let's open our Coinbase app right now. From our Coinbase home screen, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right, Send Crypto, paste in the address from Trust Wallet, click on the wallet section just down below, select the crypto that you want to transfer, and in this tutorial that is Ethereum. In this screen you need to select a network, and please select the same network on your Coinbase and your Trust Wallet for the transfer, because if you do not select the same network, your crypto might get lost. So I'm just going for the Ethereum default one. This screen, enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send, and I'm just going to click on Max. And then I'm going to click on Preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this, and go ahead and click on Exchange and then search for Trust Wallet and click on Trust Wallet. And if Trust Wallet is not visible in the Exchange tab, go ahead and click on Self-Custody Wallet. After you did one of the two tabs, then you will get in this screen, and in here you need to click on Sending to Myself if you are so, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence, and after click on Continue. And here you see the confirmation of your transfer. If everything is okay, go ahead and click on Send Now. Right now you will send your Ethereum, and you can go ahead and click on Done, and you can also view the details. So now your transfer is processing, and it will be redirected to your Trust Wallet. This can take some time, but it will eventually be added to your balance. So that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.